Hey guys, so for this problem, it says a square with one side length represented by an expression is shown below. Use the properties of the expression to write three different equivalent expressions to represent the lengths of the other three sides of the square. One of your expressions should contain only two terms. So here we know that one length of the square is represented by the following expression. Since this is a square, we also know that all sides are going to be what? Equal. And so all that's asking us here is to represent this for the other three sides. So what we could simply do is grab this expression, and what are the other three sides? We have 1, 2, 3. I could take this entire expression and multiply it by 3. That's one way. So this is going to be the first way, number 1. Other way we can do this is literally have this. And we know that repeated multiplication is repeated addition, so we can have this repeatedly add. So we have 1, 2, 3. So number 2, both of these are still equivalent. They mean the exact same thing. And lastly, we can go ahead and have this where we actually evaluate the expression. And here we use order operations, GEM does. We do all grouping symbols first. So we go ahead and we solve everything inside. 6 times 3x gives us 18x plus 6 times 8 gives us 48. Plus 32 plus 12x, close parentheses. Let's keep seeing if we can combine any more other terms. Here I have 18x plus 12x. I end up getting 30x plus 48. 48 plus 32, which gives me 80. Don't forget the 3 outside. Use the distributive property. 3 times 30x gives me 90x plus 3 times 80 gives me 240. In here. And this fits, this is the third way I wrote it out. It also matches the request initially asked, which said one of your expressions should only contain two terms. This only contains two terms, term 1 and term 2. I'm going to highlight this real quick. This was the first way. This was the second way. And this was the third way. All right. Let's go on to the next problem. The area of Brian's rectangle garden in square feet can be found by using the expression 6 times the quantity of 2x plus 5y. Use the distributive property to write an equivalent expression for the area of Brian's park. So, there was rectangular. All right. All right, so we can simply go ahead, and if we take the 6, 2x plus 5y, use a distributive property, this gives us 12x plus 30y, and this is an equivalent expression by just using the distributive property. Now the second part here says, use your equivalent expression to find the area of Brian's garden in square feet. So we go ahead, we take our expression, an equivalent expression, 12x plus 30y, and we substitute, everywhere we see x, we substitute it with 3. Everywhere we see y, we substitute it with 4. So we have 12 times 3 plus 30 times 4. This gives us 36. Plus, this gives us 120, which is equal to 156 square units. Well, no, feet squared. All right, guys, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please shoot me a message through Google Classroom. See you guys later.